Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial I will show you how to change screenshot location on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So, first you want to go into Settings. Here, scroll all the way down until you'll see Advanced Features. Here you click Screenshots and Screen Recordings. And right under Format, you can simply click Save Screenshots In. So now we have our base screenshots folder, but we can go back to our even internal storage. But I will go back here, and we can create our own folders. So now we have screenshots, but I want to save my screenshots into Cooler Screenshots. So now we simply click Cooler Screenshots, we click Done, and as you can see, all my screenshots will be now much cooler. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.